All right, guys, welcome back. We are now going to be moving on to Lesson 8, Part 2. So remember in Unit 1 and Module 1, we are going to be working on overcoming learning challenges. So far, we have talked about Waiting for the Biblioburo, Rain School, and now we have Nazarene's Secret School. So, who in Nazarene's Secret School? Nazarene. And the setting, or where, is Herat, Afghanistan. And again, remember, we did Nazarene's Secret School today. So the challenges. They weren't allowed to go to school. It was forbidden by law. And the girls aren't allowed to go outside because that's also forbidden by law. So in order to overcome this challenge, to find a solution to the problem, Nazarene and her grandmother have to take a risk by going to a secret school. Our learning targets, again, I can determine the gist of Nazarene's Secret School. I can identify the central message, lesson, or moral of Nazarene's Secret School. Your assignment for today is going to be filling in the reading for gist and recounting the story note catcher for Nazarene's Secret School. So you'll need to fill out the somebody, the in, the wanted, but, and so. So tell me the main character, the setting, what they wanted, what their challenge was, and then how they overcame that challenge, the solution. You'll also be answering the question down at the bottom for the message, the lesson, or the moral. So you'll be answering what is one idea the author wants you to take away from this book. So you're going to be determining the message, the lesson, or the moral. Okay? When you answer this question, I want you to think, what message related to the real world outside the story do you think the author wants you to learn? What message related to the real world outside of the story do you think the author wants? You're also going to need to think about the details that make you think that. So that way you can support your response. And if you can't remember the story, make sure to go back to part 1 of this lesson. Go back to that video and rewatch that video with the read aloud. So that way you can go back into the story. So when because you're going to have to remember to turn in your assignment. So I'm going to show you guys very quickly how to do that. So when you are in our ELA grade 3 class, you're going to go to assignments. Once you're in assignments, it'll be under upcoming assignments, reading for gist and recounting the story, Nazarene's Secret School. You'll click on your assignment, and there will be a box. So when you open your assignment, reading for gist, recounting the story, Nazarene's Secret School, you're going to have this box right here. You're going to click on this gray box that says to load the assignment in a new window. You will need to authorize when you log in if you have not already done this. This means you're just going to be going into, you're going to be clicking on your name with your email on it. You're going to hit allow after that screen, and then you'll be asked to make a copy of the assignment. When you finish the assignment, you're going to make sure that you hit submit on the assignment, on the actual document itself, and then it will submit to me. The assignment is due today by midnight, so it's due September 8th by midnight. Otherwise, you guys did great today, and I will see you tomorrow.